Good morning, everyone. Tia Kutzer from Bible in 1 Year. In chapter 38 that we study today, we find the detailed description of how Bezalel constructed the altar of burnt offering from acacia wood. The altar was square, with each side measuring 2.5 meters, and the height was 1.5 meters. Horns were crafted and attached to the four corners. The altar was then overlaid with bronze. He also constructed a bronze mesh and attached it to the bottom of the altar. He cast 4 rings at the four corners through which poles could fit to carry the altar. The poles were also made of acacia wood and overlaid with bronze. List the utensils he also made in verse 3. In verse 8, the woman who served at the entrance of the tent of meeting contributed to the work by offering bronze mirrors to enable Bezalel to make the bronze basin. The courtyard was an area surrounded by curtains of finely spun linen. The curtains on the northern and southern end were made of 44 meters of linen each, and the curtains on the eastern and western side were made of 23 meters of linen each. The posts and bases on which the curtains hang were overlaid with bronze, and the curtain hooks were made of silver. The screen for the gate of the courtyard was made of finely spun linen, and it was also expertly embroidered with blue, purple, and scarlet yarn. Then, in verses 21 to 31, we find a summary of all the materials that were made and used to construct the tabernacle, the tent of meeting. Everything was done exactly as the Lord instructed Moses. As you read these verses, underline every item that was used. God is a God of detail. If He goes into such detail in terms of the tabernacle construction, why do we often think that He does not note the finer details of our struggles? He sees and hears us. Psalm 94 verse 9 rightfully states, "Can the one who shaped the ear not hear? The one who formed the eye not see?" Let us enter the throne of God boldly in our prayers, full of faith that He hears our every whisper and will attend to our need at the right time. Amen. May you have a wonderful and blessed day.